¿Eso quién qué?
¿Tú quién eres? ¿Para qué trabajas? Me llamo Wilmer Aguilar y no tengo nada que ver con esto. Yo una máquina
Si no puse usted de daño. Pero lo que pasó con Cristiana va a ser muy fácil para él localizarnos con Poli. Poli. ¿Quieres que nos llevemos el cuerpo a 3 campos? ¿Quieres?
¿Qué se lo van a robar?
Yo no me voy a robar nada. Cristian es muy bueno.
Sí, lo entiendo, pero lo que vas a hacer es ilegal y Dave Mejía está allá adentro, ¿qué tal si los ve?
Wilmer, no te preocupes.
Pero di lang ikaw ang nag-iisa sa mundo. Pero aking pa may papakala mo ikaw. Magpahabol ka man sanang hindi ako gagalaw. Bitch, aaminin ko, gusto ko ganda mo. Pero di lang ikaw ang nag-iisa sa mundo. Pero aking pa may papakala mo ikaw.
She probably went inside. But yeah, Ace, I got Omar and again? His friend here. Juan? How you doing? Yeah, come here, bro. My bad, you're good, you're good.
He was changing my brakes.
Yeah, no, I saw you. No spaghettis.
Oh,
What is this?
so this is the one I formulated. That's my core formula,
My mom made the spaghetti.
core product.
Fancy. We got this.
Hey.
Let me talk to John first. We gotta touch on Now this is really good. Let me try the other one.
So there's another energy blend.
It's coming with florally. I like this. Sorry. You should have like coffee beans like on the side because the coffee beans neutralizes the smell. So you can, after every order, it neutralizes it and then you have to try another order. That's why they have coffee beans in fragrance stores.
Keep that noted, y'all.
It smells like sampaguita.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it's jasmine. Yeah. Thank you, bro.
No, if anything, the energy is what I want.
The energy?
Paul, are you okay? Okay. Oh, he recorded. That's loud. Oh my God, stop stroke. You gotta chill out.
Hey, go grab you. Stop. Yo, that shit is full.
Put it down.
Fuck.
Stop. Put it down.
Come on. Stop.
Man, you can't, boy.
Come on, son. Ah, shit. It's your time.
What's the can?
Yeah. Oh, it's right there. It's
Just easy. It's 2v1. Just.
Okay. Should I roll it?
Roll it.
Yo, Paul, hit it.
I got you guys.
Hit.
No, stop.
Did it hit?
Okay. You heard it. I didn't hear it. I heard it.
I don't hear nothing. I'm not gonna.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Yeah. What'd you think?
No, this shit's fire, man.
It's fire?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you,
I
bro.
fuck with that heavy.
You want to try these ones? It's another energy, but it's just different
It's
scents.
so early, so ain't no ain't calm down yet.